हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो कैसे हैं आप? माय नेम इज लोकेश सोलंकी एंड टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट्स which is an important topic of class 10th electricity, in which we will discuss how an electric circuit complete and how a bulb is glow with a battery which is connected to the circuit. So what is actually an electric circuit and how many components are used to making a electric circuits? So let us discuss about definition. A continuous conducting path. A continuous conducting path means ये एक metal wire होना चाहिए consisting of wires, जिसमें क्या हो, wires हो. This is a wire. Okay, this is a wire and other resistances like electric bulb, CFL. We can take any resistance. हम कोई सा भी एक रेसिस्टेंस कंपोनेंट ले सकते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक रेसिस्टेंस एंड अ स्विच. स्विच, व्हाट इज अ स्विच? स्विच इज यूज्ड टू कंप्लीट अ सर्किट बिकॉज स्विच इज यूज्ड टू ओपन एंड क्लोज सर्किट. स्विच जब ओपन होगा तो देयर इज नो करंट फ्लो थ्रू दिस सर्किट. व्हेन द स्विच इज क्लोज, करंट इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू द सर्किट. And the two terminals of a cell, because if you want to blow a bulb, current must be flow through it. So without battery, without potential difference, is it not possible to current flow through the circuit? So a battery or a cell is very important part along which an electric current flow. और जो वायर है उसमें से करंट फ्लो होना चाहिए. दैट इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. इट मींस अ कंटिन्यूअस conducting path containing the wire, other resistances and a switch between the two terminals of a cell or a battery along which an electric current flows is called a circuit. So here there is a diagram of closed circuit and the open circuit, in which in a closed circuit you will observe there is the glowing of a bulb. वहां पर क्या हो रहा है, बल्ब ग्लो हो रहा है. ठीक है, यह है क्लोज्ड सर्किट. यहां पर क्या होगा, बल्ब ग्लो होगा. ओके, व्हेन द सर्किट इज ओपन, सर्किट क्या होगा, ओपन होगा. ओपन होगा इट मींस दिस स्विच, दिस की इज ओपन, देन द सर्किट इज नोन एज अ क्लोज्ड सर्किट. Sorry, open circuit, in which there is no glowing of a bulb. वहां पर बल्ब का ग्लो नहीं होगा. बल्ब जो है वो ग्लो नहीं करेगा. So that is the electric circuits. You already know in our homes जब connections होते हैं, wire connections through the fans, through the batteries, through the electricity board, switches are there. And each and every switch is used to run appliance like a bulb, like a fan, like a refrigerator. Okay, so there are some another symbols which is used to represent electric diagrams easily, which is given by scientists as symbols. Scientists ने कुछ symbols दिए हैं जो क्या represent कर रहे हैं, जो represent करते हैं किसी भी सर्किट को easy way में represent करने. तो हम देखते हैं which diagrams. So हम देखते हैं electric circuits and symbols for electric components. Symbols. The first symbol is a bulb. Sorry, cell. First is a cell. Cell. This is the representation of a cell. In the cell there are two terminals. There are two parallel lines, two parallel vertical lines. One is a larger line, another is a shorter line. Larger line is represented by positive terminal and the smaller line is represented by negative terminal. So this is a cell, representation of a cell. Second point, a battery. A battery. Battery is the combination of these cells. We can generally say that a battery is a combination of cells. अब देखिए हम, तो जो पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल है सेल का and one is the negative terminal of a cell. So the negative terminal of a cell, one cell is connected to the positive terminal of the another cell. ये क्या कनेक्टेड होगा, दूसरे सेल के पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से कनेक्ट होगा. देन दिस थिंग्स इज कंटिन्यूस. ओके, ये कंटिन्यूस होगी और हमें क्या मिलेगा, अ बैटरी. ओके, so the battery is the combination of two or more cells. Generally we can say that. Third point is the resistance. A resistance which is oppose the flow of amount of current. But how to represent in physics? That is the symbol of a zigzag. This is the representation of the resistance. तो resistance से ऐसे represent किया जाता है. Okay. Fourth point is a variable resistor. Variable resistance, which is also known as rheostat. Rheostat. Okay. So rheostat or the variable resistor is the resistance which is variable, which can change. Means when a circuit is containing a potential difference at the end of the circuit, but we want to adjust the amount of current, we have to use the rheostat, in which the potential is remains same but the amount of current can be changed. इसे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, चेंज कर सकते हैं. Fifth point, an ammeter. An ammeter is the instrument which is used to, ammeter is an instrument which is used to measure the amount of current. इसका यूज करंट को मेजर करने के लिए किया जाता है. इट इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज विद द सर्किट. सिक्स पॉइंट, नंबर 6 ये कहता है पोटेंशियोमीटर, सॉरी voltmeter. Voltmeter, according to its name, voltmeter means which measure the potential, which measure the voltage. तो जो वोल्टेज को मेजर करेगा उसे हम कहते हैं वोल्टमीटर, एंड दैट इज द सिंबल ऑफ वोल्टमीटर. ये क्या है, वोल्टमीटर का सिंबल होता है जो पोटेंशियल को मेजर करता है. इट इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड पैरेलल टू दिस सर्किट. Next is galvanometer. Galvanometer. So the galvanometer is an instrument which is used to measure the small amount of current. If we want to measure the fraction of the current, we can use the galvanometer, because for the ammeter we can't measure the small amount of current for instantaneous of a time. But the galvanometer also measures the small amount of current. Number 8 is a key, open key. It is the open key. Open key means it is used to complete the circuit. Without key, circuit is incomplete. और होता है closed key. When the key is closed, we can say that circuit is complete. जब की closed होगी तभी current flow होगा सर्किट से, otherwise no flow of current into this circuit. Okay, so that is the symbols which is used for electric components. ठीक, one more symbol is there and that is a bulb. इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब, जिसका सिंबल ये, दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब. ओके, सो नोट डाउन इन अ प्रॉपर वे. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस ऑल द थिंग्स. Okay, so the circuit diagrams. A diagram which indicates how different components of a circuit have been connected by using electric symbols. We generally know the electric symbols. Before that, there are 10 symbols: cell, battery, bulb, resistance, rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer, key, open key, closed key. They are the symbols. So, how many electric symbols are used to complete a circuit is known as circuit diagrams. A diagram which indicate how different components of this circuit have been connected by using electric symbols. For the components called electric diagrams. Here there are two diagrams in front of this board. One is the open circuit, another is a closed circuit, and which is connected with a wire, a bulb, a battery, and key. First diagram represented by the open key, means when the key is open, no current flowing through this circuit, means there is no glow of a bulb में glow नहीं होगा. But when the circuit is complete, means the key is closed key. So the amount of current flowing through this circuit, through the wire, through the bulb, then the bulb close. Okay? So that is the electric diagrams, circuit diagrams, which indicate how different components are connected in any circuit with the symbols. That is the electric circuit. Circuit diagrams. Okay? So thank you for watching this video. Best of luck. पढ़ते रहे और पढ़ते रहे.